Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had another fantastic day today. Um, Dow didn't do anything spectacular, but it worked out for us very nicely, and the Dow is continuing this upside push. No sign of weakness here. I predicted yesterday today would be an up day, and it was. Dow opened up a couple hundred points and then kind of settled back sideways, sold off a little toward the end, but it still finished the day up 131 points. Uh, we had, I think, 13 positions. I can't remember exactly. Quite a few coming in, and of course, this gap up uh, this morning in the Dow really helped us, and we exited those positions with a whopping $35,000 plus, and I think only two of those positions were negative, and everything else was positive, and it just added up to quite a bit of money, $35,000 plus in closed out trades. And then we got into only 7 new positions, but one of those positions went to the moon, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. So we end up carrying over $26,000 in open trade. So our day looks pretty good. We closed out over 35,000 in closed out trades, and we're carrying over 26,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. I'm going to show you 3 of those stocks. Everything was good today. I mean, what an easy day to trade. I mean, just nothing really went wrong. Had one kind of bad trade in UGAZ. That was it. Everything else just went perfectly. Um, this first one I'm showing you is ATRA. That's Atara Biotherapeutics. Uh, you know, this is almost a perfect trade. We got into this yesterday, right at the beginning of the day. It kept moving nicely, little pullback at the end, but then it pops up, taking out yesterday's high and everything else, and we get out almost at the very top of this short-term move in Atara Therapeutics, and we take $4,700 out of ATRA. Very nice trade. Now we get into a little more money here. This is JNUG, which is, of course, the gold mining bull. And we entered this back on Friday. It closed with just a modest profit on Friday. We held it over the weekend. It pops up yesterday so strong that keeps us in the trade. We hang on to it all day. Very profitable. No indication it's pulling back, and it did not pull back. It popped up again this morning, and we get out of this one just about the top. I'm not going to say the top of the move because I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. I mean, this thing could pop up again, but where we got out today in JNUG, we netted $12,100. That's a real nice trade. Now I'll show you something that goes beyond nice. I gotta fiddle around with this a little. This is INO, which is Inovio Pharmaceuticals. This has been just a fantastic stock for us. But yesterday we got a little pop up here. I mean, this doesn't even look like a pop up on the chart here because of the move today, but we got a little pop up. We hung on to it. It was slightly profitable on the close, and then look what happens today. That scares me a little. This is starting to look like Chesapeake Energy Corporation. And if you haven't been following my videos, you don't know what I'm talking about. But Chesapeake Energy Corporation went to almost $250,000 before it crashed on me. But this didn't go to $250,000. But we are holding $26,700 in Inovio Pharmaceuticals, holding it on and going into tomorrow. So let's just, I'll be happy just to take the 26,000 out. It doesn't have to gap up. I just don't want it to gap down. Anyway, great day. Trader Bob's happy, and I'll be back here tomorrow trading as usual on Wednesday.